In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to catch spikes with only using two indicators. So this is a strategy that I posted on my channel about 3 years ago, and all of you guys made a lot of money with the strategy. So I've been getting a lot of DM asking me, does the strategy still work? And some people are DMing me on Instagram asking me for strategies to catch spikes, and they haven't seen this video yet. So I'm going to recreate the strategy for you guys so you guys can actually go ahead and apply it to your chart and start making money today. It's a really easy strategy. We're only using two indicators to catch the spikes, and the risk management is on point. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I do appreciate it. Please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment down below so that this strategy can be pushed out, this video can be pushed out by YouTube algorithm for more potential traders out there that are struggling. Here at Forex Life, we are just trying to help our struggling traders with strategies. If they don't have money for systems or anything, no laptops, computers, and they only have their mobile phone to trade. So this is what this channel is all about. So please go ahead and subscribe. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of December. But anyway, let's get into it. So with this strategy, you can use it on any zoom level. Okay, any zoom level, it is completely up to you. It makes no difference. It will not change the strategy. And like I said, we'll only we'll only be using two indicators for this specific strategy. It is used on all boom and crash pairs. We can go ahead and add it onto the new boom and crash pairs as well, on the 300s, the 900s, and the 600s. It works on all of them. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to do is you just want to tap on your screen and select this option over here, or you can just select the option over there. Okay, this will bring you to your indicators page. You're going to click on the F plus icon, and then you're going to click on moving averages. So your first moving average that we are going to add will be the moving average period 10. Okay, shift will be 0, method will be exponential, and apply to close. The style, you can make it any amount of pixels. I prefer 4 pixels so that I can actually see it on my chart, and this I'll just make the color green. Okay, click on save, and we should see this green over here on our charts, this green line on our charts. Then we're going to press on that icon again, and we're going to click on the F plus, and we're going to click on moving average. Only thing we're going to change is our period. So this one, we want to go ahead and we want to change that to period 21, and then the color we're going to change to red. You can choose any color of your choice. Click on save, and that is how it should look. So how the strategy works, it's very easy, very simple to understand. So I'm just gonna go back a bit and then just explain to you guys. Like I said, it works on any zoom level. It doesn't change, it doesn't lag. So that is the great part about the strategy. So let's just see if we go back. So on boom 1000, boom 300, boom 500, boom 900, all the rules apply the same. It's exactly the same. Okay, so what you want to do is, when the green moving average over here, when the green moving average touches the candle, so if I just zoom it, let me see, get zoomed enough. Okay, so we have a red moving average and we have a green moving average. So when your red moving average crosses through a candle, that will be your first entry. Okay, when the green moving average crosses through a candle, that will be your second entry. And then spike. You can hold after the green moving average crosses through the candle. You can hold 5 to 10 candles. If no spike happens, you close the trade. So over here we can see this would have been our first entry. The moving average crosses through the candle. Over here the moving average crosses through the second candle, and then we hold 5 to 10 candles, and that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Just before the 10th one, it gave a massive spike where both positions would have been in profits. I recommend 5 to 10 candles. If you want to hold longer, that is completely up to you. Over here, this is a loss. This one is a loss as well. This one is a win. So here we have entered our first entry, second entry, and win. And that is basically how the strategy works. It's as easy as that, just entering when the moving average crosses through the candle and catching the spike. If we have a look at boom 500, the same thing. The moving average, so both crossed through that candle, we'd have entered over there and we'd have caught that spike. Over here, the same thing, catch that spike. Over here, we'd have caught a loss. Over here, it crosses through this candle, we'd have caught that. This would have been a loss. This would have been a loss. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This would have been a win. Over here we had a little small fake out, but if you held a bit longer, you'd have caught that spike over there. That would have been a win. That would have been a win. You're literally just looking at the moving averages crossing through the candles. That would have been a sniper. That would have been a sniper as well. This would have been a win. That would have been a win. So yes, there are losses. That would have been a win. That's a win. There are losses. However, the wins are much more. And because you have a risk management in place of risking only 5 to 10 candles, your losses won't be that big. If we have a look at boom 300, same concept apply, guys. That would have been a sniper. Would have missed that. That would have been a sniper. That would have been a sniper. That would have been a loss. That would have been a win. That would have been a loss there. This here, entered there, would have caught that spike. So it's as easy as that. You just watch when the moving average crosses through the candle, the tick, the small little candle, you go ahead and you take a trade. Boom 600, exactly the same concept. That would have been a sniper. Over here, once it crosses through the candle, you can go ahead and take a trade. On crash 1000, exactly the same concept. Once it crosses through the little candles, you go ahead and you take a trade and you hold for 5 to 10 candles. If no spike happens, you close your trade. Okay, you close your trade. You wait for the next opportunity. So over here is a little opportunity happening now. Once it crosses through, we can go ahead and actually take a trade. Okay, same thing here. You close the major drawdown there, so we would have lose those trades. This one we would have caught, we would have lost that, we would have won that, we would have lost that trade, would have won this trade, would have won this trade, won this trade, sniper on this trade, would have won this trade, sniper on that trade, won that trade with a sniper, another sniper. So it's really easy to make money with this. Let's see if we can catch this. So we missed the first entry over here, but this is the second entry now. So now we will hold 10 candles. If no spike happens, we go ahead and we close the trade. It's as easy as that, guys. It's really easy to use this strategy. On crash 500, we can see over here, so this was the first entry, this was the second entry, and it gave that small spike. Here this was a loss, of course. That was only one entry there, and that was a loss. That was a win. That was a win. It's a double spike. First entry, second entry, they're both on the same candle, but we could have put both entries there and we got that double spike. It's literally just by watching these two lines cross through the candles. Over here, same thing, but that would have been a loss. That would have been a loss. This would have been a win. This would have been a win. Second entry over here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Would have caught this spike, 4 spikes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spikes. Would have caught over there. Remember, your stop loss is only 10 candles after the second entry. Okay, so after the second entry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Would have caught that and caught that. Caught that spike, that's a sniper over there, that's a sniper. Caught that, would have caught that with a sniper, caught that. So there's lots and lots of money to be made with a strategy, guys. So I want you to follow the rules, use the proper risk management, use the proper lot size for the strategy, and then practice it on demo first. Okay, first practice on demo. Once you're comfortable with the strategy, move over to your live account. Remember to always subscribe to this channel for the latest videos and the latest strategies to help you on your trading journey. I'm going to wait to see if this spikes. I'm going to wait 10 candles, so we on our third candle right now, and then I'll get back to you guys and we can see if we made some profits or if we lost some money with this trade. So over here we can see we got a tiny spike, right? We got a tiny spike after our second entry. We missed the first entry, but we're still gonna go ahead and hold our 10 candles. So we'll count this as 1, 2, and that small spike the third candle, and then we'll wait for 10 candles and see what happens. I'll come back to show you guys. Okay, so we've reached our 10 candles and we haven't received a spike, so I'm gonna go ahead and close, and you can see that's a really small loss that we took on that trade. And that is the beauty about this trade. Your risk management will be in place, so you won't be losing much if you're not risking much, and if you're following the rules, you'll be making money. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below how you found this strategy.